Hello friends, it's Raquel from Infinite Succulent here, and I'm so excited to share with you all some of the DIY succulent craft kits that come straight from the pages of my book. So if you go onto my website, infinitesucculent.com, and head over to the boutique, there's an area that says DIY kits. And in that area, there's 4 different succulent craft kits that come straight from the pages of my book. And those crafts are the succulent twig magnet, the succulent mini wreath, which makes a beautiful ornament or magnet for the holiday season, the succulent bracelets, this cuff style bracelet you see right here and right here, and succulent headbands, as you see pictured right here. So when you order one of my DIY kits, you will get all the materials you need to make the crafts in my book. And for a special for the holiday season, I also have a combination where you can order a signed copy of my book and a DIY kit. So go check that out on my website, infinitesucculent.com, and what you'll see from here is just the different materials that are found within those DIY kits. Happy crafting, friends! One of the things I wanted to note about all of my packaging is that I do try to avoid plastic whenever possible. So you'll notice in my packaging, when I package up your DIY kits, everything will be paper or cardboard, and I even package up the moss in a little cotton bag so that you don't have to deal with single-use plastic waste, and neither does the planet. Thank you, friends. I hope you enjoy crafting living art. Oh, and if you like this video and you're interested in learning more about crafting with plants, living sustainably, please follow and like me here on YouTube, Infinite Succulent. You can hit subscribe and like these videos. And if you have any comments or videos you'd like to see me create, please leave them in the comments. Thank you, friends.